Thankfulness has so many incredible effects on our lives. Besides helping grow our faith and preventing a fear of lack, gratitude also refocuses our attitude, pushing out anxiety to replace it with peace. In fact, developing a culture of thankfulness, not one focused on fault finding or fixing everyone else, can cause our relationships, homes, and businesses to move to the next level. Acts 16:16-34 shows us a powerful example of thankfulness in the midst of trouble. Imprisoned, whipped, and bleeding with stocks clamped around their feet in a dungeon, Paul and Silas choose to pray and sing hymns to God. Despite severe pain and hardship, they focused not on themselves but on God and His ability. Because of that, their hearts maintained an incredible level of peace and joy that touched lives and saw them ultimately freed from jail. In spite of huge problems, thankfulness opened the doorway to peace and the miraculous. Now, you don't need to give thanks for sickness, poverty, or problems. But through it all, the choice to continually give thanks is yours. And the peace of God, which surpasses all understanding, will guard your heart and mind through Christ Jesus.